Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Odyssey key battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, ensuring reliable access to your vehicle. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, just as the old one was. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely shut. Before you go, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Then, test your key fob with your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.